Hey guys, it's JK Hool here. I'm hoping you're having a good day. Here it's not bad. It's pretty, sun's out. Little cold. Let's get to the video. There we go. Just a cover. Now, show you what I was doing. This is the plug that normally holds your little light for your license plate. But for some reason, as you can tell, this one burned up. So I was going to order replacements, but it was a couple dollars more to order the LED version than it was to replace this one stupid plug. So I'm doing both sides. But that's what an LED one looks like. Couple of LEDs. And all you're supposed to do is you plug this into here, like that. I'm not going to plug it in, but you get the idea. Now what I don't like though is then you just pop this in a bumper and it's just staying like that. What I don't like is it's open. Okay, you can get water in there, moisture, it'll screw the contact up, and this problem could happen again. So what I've been doing is I did this. It's the same one. I just cut the end off, put extra wire on it, soldered the connectors, put some shrink on it, like you can tell. So I got more wire to play with. Then we'll solder these ends and shrink them. This way they're watertight and they won't ever get wet. Which, in theory, I should never have a problem on these license plates again. So, that's where we're at so far. Now I gotta do the other one, and then we'll do that. Alright, as y'all can tell, I shrink wrapped it. I even used Gorilla Tape to protect this in case it gets any vibration or anything, rubs. So, we should be able just to pop this in. Oh, by the way, just so y'all know, I'm not hiding my license plate from you guys. I don't care if you see it. But as you can tell, it's got a plastic cover on it. And I didn't want the heat gun to hit it and warp it. So that's the only reason I've done that to you. Now to the other side. Alright guys, I cut out all the, extra solder and all that, but got this one all sealed up. With the other one, you just line it up, pop it in. Now, okay, see that one's on, and that one's on. Of course, you can't see nothing right now in the daylight, but what I'll do, I'll wait till this evening when it's dark, and I'll come out here and give you some pictures of it. Alright guys, there you go. You can see how bright them puppies are, and that is a whole lot brighter than it ever was originally. Cop can't say he can't read that plate. If he does, he's... There you see it without it. Turn them on. There you go. That's got it. That's pretty good. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video. And that was nothing fancy this time, but it's the way it goes when you get parts, Sometimes they come in, sometimes they don't. What can I do? Well, I thought at least give y'all something to look at. So, I am staying busy with the truck and thinking of you guys all the time. Please keep the emails coming. I always answer them. And that's about it till the next video. But remember, do not text and drive. But till next time, y'all be safe, be cool. See you later.